Please note, this video is for educational purposes only. It is not designed to diagnose, treat, or cure any ailment, illness, or disease. Fire cider is a vibrant and versatile herbal tonic with deep roots in traditional herbalism. Its name evokes warmth and vigor, a fitting description for this zesty infusion. The term fire cider is said to reflect its fiery kick, derived from a blend of spicy, pungent, and tangy ingredients, and its use as a health-supporting remedy that can ignite the body's natural defenses. This tonic has a rich history attributed to Rosemary Gladstar, a renowned herbalist who popularized it in the late 20th century. I highly recommend you investigate Rosemary's books if you haven't already. While her recipe is often cited as the origin, the concept of steeping herbs and spices in vinegar for health benefits goes back centuries. Fire cider was originally thought to be a winter tonic, offering both a protective side boosting the immune system, as well as a modulating side reducing the effects of winter colds and flu. Now, fire cider is considered a year-round option. It can be a refreshing summer tonic when diluted with water or added to a salad dressing as well. What makes fire cider particularly fascinating is its adaptability. No two recipes are exactly the same, as herbalists customize their blends based on personal preferences, seasonal availability, or specific wellness goals. At its core, fire cider typically includes a combination of apple cider vinegar, horseradish, garlic, onion, ginger, and cayenne or other hot peppers. These ingredients create a powerful base with antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, and immune-boosting properties. To this foundation, herbalists often add their own flair, incorporating turmeric for its anti-inflammatory benefits, rosemary or thyme for respiratory support, citrus fruits for a bright, tangy flavor, or honey to balance the heat with sweetness. The process of making fire cider is as straightforward as it is rewarding. Fresh ingredients are chopped and layered in a jar, then covered with apple cider vinegar to infuse over several weeks. The steeping period allows the vinegar to extract the beneficial properties of the herbs, creating a potent, flavorful tonic. After straining, the liquid is typically sweetened with honey, though this step is entirely optional and can be adjusted to taste. Storage and usage are equally simple. Once strained, fire cider can be stored in a cool, dark place or in the refrigerator for up to a year. The high acidity of the vinegar acts as a natural preservative, ensuring the tonic remains fresh and effective. As for how to use it, the possibilities are nearly endless. Many people enjoy taking it by the spoonful as a daily wellness shot, especially during the colder months. It can also be diluted in water, added to salad dressings, or even used as a marinade for an extra zing of flavor and health benefits. Degree of heat, using the Greek or Galenic system. The Greek degree of heat, a traditional herbalist concept that categorizes remedies based on their warming or cooling effects on the body, places fire cider solidly in the hot category. The system of degrees of heat and cold is part of the Galenic system, named after Galen, a prominent Greek physician and philosopher from the Roman Empire era, and has 4 degrees of heat. Its ingredients like ginger, cayenne, horseradish, and garlic are known for their intense warming properties, which stimulate circulation, promote sweating, and encourage energy flow. If we were to assign a specific degree, fire cider would likely fall at the higher end of the heat spectrum, close to a 3rd degree of heat. This reflects its ability to strongly warm the body and counteract cold or damp imbalances. However, the degree of heat can vary depending on the specific recipe. A blend heavy on cayenne or horseradish would be hotter, while one with more honey or citrus might moderate the fiery impact. This high heat makes fire cider particularly effective for cold weather ailments, sluggish digestion, or conditions caused by cold or dampness in the body, but it should be used mindfully, especially for individuals with a naturally hot constitution or during hot weather. Caution is needed when addressing hot conditions like fever, inflammation, or infections, especially when symptoms like sweating, a runny nose, coughing, and fever are present. These are outward signs of heat in the body, and introducing a highly hot remedy like fire cider could potentially exacerbate the imbalance if not used thoughtfully. However, fire cider is often used even in these situations, but with specific considerations. Small, targeted doses. In cases of fever or acute inflammation, fire cider might still be used in very small amounts to stimulate circulation or improve digestion, but not in the same robust, daily way as during preventive use, supporting the resolution of illness. Fire cider's antimicrobial and immune-supporting properties can help the body fight infections. Even in hot conditions, certain ingredients like garlic and ginger are traditionally used to address pathogens, as they help the body push through the illness while promoting healthy elimination. Dilution and balance. Pairing fire cider with cooling herbs or remedies can balance its effects. For example, drinking it in cool water or placing a dose into a tea of cooling herbs like peppermint or lemon balm might make it more appropriate for hot conditions. Individual constitution. If someone naturally has a hot constitution or the heat symptoms are very pronounced, fire cider might be avoided or replaced with cooling remedies like elderflower tea, lemon water, or cucumber-based infusions, which can soothe the body while still addressing the underlying issues. Balancing its use with cooling herbs or foods, if needed, can help maintain harmony in the body. Fire cider embodies the essence of herbalism, accessible, adaptable, and deeply rooted in tradition. Its bold flavors and invigorating qualities make it a favorite among herbal enthusiasts and a wonderful introduction for anyone curious about exploring herbal remedies. Whether you stick to a classic recipe or experiment with your own blend of herbs and spices, fire cider is a vibrant testament to the power of plants to support and nourish our well-being.